Hello, I would like to share a very simple idea for treating a corneal abrasion. The cornea is simply a layer of skin on the eye, and I prefer to treat skin with products that are edible. One of nature's great remedies for skin issues is simply the gel from an aloe vera leaf. And another great product that also happens to be a natural antibacterial is coconut oil. You can use one or the other or both of these, and my suggestion would be to simply squeeze some of the aloe vera, the gel out of the leaf, into a small glass container and mix in a little bit of coconut oil, and then add some warm water to that, not too hot of course, and stir that up, and then simply use a dropper to put that in the eye. Once you get coconut oil up to about body temperature, it's going to be in a liquid form. You'll have to mix that in with the water and the aloe vera, and then simply use a dropper to pull some out and drop it in your eye. I found the relief to be pretty much immediate. What happened in my situation 2-3 years ago was I took a Scotch pine needle to my eyeball while I was mowing the grass, and it hurt pretty bad. I had to come inside and just try to rest that eye. It really didn't get any better, and as I tried to go to sleep that night, anytime I closed the eye, it was just simply too painful. I was just about ready to wake up my wife and go to the ER when out of the corner of my eye, I noticed the aloe vera plant by our window and did a quick little bit of research to make sure that it would be okay to put that in my eye. That simple idea brought pretty much immediate relief and saved a trip to the emergency room. The next morning, doing a little bit more research, I learned that a corneal abrasion can lead to an eye infection, and I knew that coconut oil was an antibacterial, so I looked into the idea of putting a little bit of coconut oil into my eye as well. So I am not a medical professional, but I would not hesitate to use this idea on one of my children. The cornea, as I said, is it's just simply skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and I had already learned that the best way to take care of our skin is with our diet, and the best diet for that is a whole foods, all plant-based diet, a minimally processed, widely varied, all plant-sourced nutrition plan. And I had learned that anything we rub into our skin does go into our bloodstream. So many of the products I used to use on my skin, I simply will not use them anymore, and I'm even hesitant to use sunscreen. In fact, since learning this stuff, I rarely put sunscreen on, and of course it's best to simply try to cover up if you have to be out during the harshest sunlight. So take care of your skin from within, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and of course, protect your eyes at all times.